A robot in a warehouse just picked up a box it had never seen before. No one programmed it to do that. It figured it out, the same way you would. That's not a prototype in a lab.
That's a job site, right now, this year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which robots have real AI brains today and which ones are still just marketing. Here's what's coming: real crossovers between AI and robotics that are already deployed, not concept videos. One of them is already replacing shifts at a major US warehouse chain. Stick around, because story number 5 is the one that changes how you'll think about robot forever.
For decades, robots and AI were two separate things. Robots were dumb but strong, great at repeating the same motion a million times. AI was smart but had no body. It could write, plan, and talk, but couldn't pick up a coffee cup. In the last 2 years, that wall broke. Companies started putting large language models. It is the same tech behind ChatGPT.
Put the apple in the bin.
But this time, it's inside physical robots. It can see, understand, and act.
That's the crossover. And it's why 2024 through 2026 will probably be remembered as the years robots got a brain. Let's start with the one that kicked off the whole shift.
In early 2024, a startup called Figure released a video that stunned the AI world. Their humanoid robot, Figure-01, was hooked up to OpenAI's models. I can help you with that.
Can I get something to eat?
Sure thing. Sure thing. Here's why that's a bigger deal than it looks. The robot wasn't told the apple is food. It reasoned that out, using vision plus language in real time. Then it stacked dishes into a rack, a task it was never explicitly trained on. Figure has since signed deals to test these robots inside actual BMW factory floors. Limitation worth knowing. This is still narrow. The robot can't handle chaotic, unpredictable environments as well as a human yet. Demos are also curated. Real-world reliability is still being proven, but the direction is clear: robots that understand context, not just commands. Tesla's bet is different. Instead of partnering with an AI lab, they're building the brain in-house, using the same neural network approach as their self-driving cars. Elon Musk has claimed Optimus could become Tesla's biggest product long-term, bigger than the cars. That's a bold claim, and it's important to say, production timelines here have slipped before. Take the when with a grill, the when is not guaranteed. What makes Optimus different from Figure is scale ambition. Tesla wants millions of units, car factory prices, not lab prototypes. You've probably seen the old Atlas videos, the robot doing backflips. That robot was hydraulic, loud, and built for research, not real work. In 2024, Boston Dynamics retired that version and unveiled a new, fully electric Atlas designed from scratch for actual factory jobs. Then came the crossover moment.
They partnered with Toyota Research Institute to give Atlas large model-based reasoning, so it can be shown a task once and generalize it, instead of needing rigid pre-programmed motion paths.
Atlas is now being tested in real manufacturing settings with Hyundai, which owns Boston Dynamics.
This matters because Atlas was always the most physically capable humanoid robot on Earth. Now it's getting the reasoning to match the body.
Quick pause, because the next two stories are the ones. One is already inside hospitals. The other is already inside an Amazon warehouse near you. Story 5 specifically is the one that should change how you think about job automation. Stay with me.
It isn't humanoid, it's precision. Surgical systems like Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci platform have used robotic arms for years, controlled entirely by a human surgeon. The new shift. AI models are now being layered in to assist with things like real-time tissue recognition, flagging anomalies during surgery.
Let's review the annotated footage from yesterday. The system highlights the optimal dissection plane here.
Exactly.
It helps you train your eyes faster. A human surgeon is always in control. This is decision support, not robot doctors. Anyone claiming otherwise is overselling it.
The combination of robotic precision plus AI pattern recognition is measurably reducing errors in specific, narrow tasks like suturing consistency.
Here's the one most people don't know about. A company called Agility Robotics makes a bipedal robot called Digit. It's not walking on stage for a demo.
Digit is designed for work, starting with logistics. With advanced AI vision, it effortlessly identifies totes, navigating safely around human coworkers, and adapting in real time to any obstacle.
This is the quiet crossover story. No flashy keynote, no viral apple-handing video, just a humanoid robot with an AI system, clocking in.
That's the real signal. Not the robot that looks the most impressive in a demo. The robot that's boring enough to already have a job. And that's genuinely the biggest shift in this entire video. AI-robot crossover isn't a future headline anymore. For at least one of these 5, it's a Tuesday shift. Let's recap fast. Figure 01 showed a robot can reason about a task it's never seen. Optimus is Tesla's bet on scale and cost.
Atlas proved the most physically capable robot on Earth can also learn to generalize. Surgical AI is making precision medicine measurably safer, without replacing the surgeon. None of these are science fiction. None of them are fully autonomous human replacement either. Every single one still has a human somewhere in the loop, and real limitations underneath the hype.
That gap between what's real and what's overhyped is exactly what this channel exists to map out for you. If this saved you from believing the next overhyped robot video you see, hit like. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need the real story. Subscribe to AI Unlocked. I break down real AI deployments like this every week, no hype, no fluff. Comment below, which of these 5 surprised you the most?
You need to drop whatever you are doing, or drop the AI tool you're using right now. I read every comment.